My name is Richard Torr from Electronic Business Systems, a Sage business partner. We're in Birmingham. We have 30 staff. We were formed in 1980 and we're what's called a strategic partner. We've got a mix of Sage end users from distribution, manufacturing, retail, to professional services. So it's a broad range of customers. We don't tend to specialise in one particular area. The key challenges that customers are facing is that Sage 200 collects lots of data, which is great. The problem is it can't really present it in a nice, visible way. So the Pan Intelligence system gives people a window into the data to be able to manipulate the information, understand it and present it in an understandable format. The impact on their business is they have gained visibility. They can then make better business decisions because they've got information that's accurate and they can trust. Our current customers are using the dashboards in a multitude of ways. It's really to address the particular issues that they have and the reporting requirements. We have managing directors wanting to know the pulse of the business from the cash balance, from the debtors, creditors. We've got the sales directors and sales managers wanting to know products, sales by product group, profitability, comparison of targets. So it's a multitude of dashboards and reports of how people are using it. The feedback from customers is extremely positive, and to be fair, that's why we're continuing to offer the product to our prospective clients and our existing customer base that haven't taken on the product yet. It's just transformed their business, where it's given them visibility again of what's going on in the business, sometimes in areas where they didn't think there was a problem. It's now identified issues and they've managed to resolve it. Customers have made changes and improvements to their business by putting in specific dashboards. Normally they identify a particular problem that they think is an issue. We'll create a dashboard to collect that information, and in occasions what's happened is that it's not actually a problem at all. They've misunderstood the issue. We've had a client where they believed that the number of dispatches going out was inaccurate and they were very unhappy with the performance of their warehouse team. By monitoring the picking and packing accuracy and the number of returns compared back to it was so minute that that wasn't the issue. We actually found out that the sales team were not actually selling the customer the correct product in the first place. So it was an issue, but it wasn't an issue in the area where people thought it was. So the Pan Intelligence sort of proved that the warehouse people were not at fault, and it was actually the sales people that were not putting the right orders on. The benefits it's brought to us as a business partner is twofold. The first one will be that we've implemented it internally, so we also have visibility of our business to see how our business is performing, which enables us to speak with confidence and also empathise with the customer to say we've done it, we've been there and we have benefited from the system. But then when we're talking to prospective clients about the Sage 200 system, a very important aspect of that is to have visibility of the data. It's okay collecting the information, but you've got to do something with it. And that's where senior management do want good dashboards and reporting and accessibility. EBS as a business has got core values of integrity, honesty and working with our customers, of going that extra mile and retaining business. And when we first engaged with Pan Intelligence, we just felt that there was a real synergy there. There was Pan Intelligence business philosophy is very, very similar to ours, and we just felt that we really got on well with them. And we're all on the same page and we all want the same thing, which is great. Would I recommend Pan Intelligence to other Sage partners? No. The reason is because I have a competitive advantage and I don't want you to have that advantage either.